In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your Instagram account from another device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your Instagram profile page. Tap right here at three lines and then select Account Center at the very top. Once you are at Meta Account Center, first off you need to tap at Password and Security. And there are two different ways how we can remove our Instagram account from another device. If you suspect that someone else knows your password and may have logged into your account on another device, the best thing that I recommend you to do is change your password. Tap at Change Password here, then select your Instagram account, and then you will be taken to that step where first off you need to enter current password here, and then down below you need to enter new password, and in the last field you need to re-enter it. Your password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters just like that. Once you've entered and re-entered your new password, hit Add Change Password, and then your password will be changed and it will also remove your Instagram account from all the devices except current one. However, guys, if you want to check all the devices where you are signed in and remove or log out from your account on a particular device, you can easily do so as well. All you have to do is tap at where you are logged in. After that, select your Instagram account or maybe a Facebook account. You can select any account associated with your Meta Account Center. And it will show you all the devices where you are signed in with your account. And then you can select any device from here. And then to remove the selected account from the particular device, we just need to hit Add Logout. If we go to Facebook, we may see here different devices and then we can log out from our account on any device as well. Also, we can select multiple devices to log out from several devices at once. To do that, tap at Select Devices to log out. Then checkmark the devices you want to log out of, and then tap at that button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button.